Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Nabeel. House of Nabeel almost doesn't need introduction because they are amazing house from the United Arab Emirates, from Middle East, and every time I unbox and review their fragrances they impress me very much, especially for the price. The ratio for what I pay and what I get is absolutely amazing. So this one in particular called Maghateer, this 100 ml Eau de Parfum. This is from their line of Master Perfumers collection. So the last time I unboxed one of them is called oh god, what was the name of it? Anyway, so I unboxed and reviewed another one from this line, which is the Master Perfumers collection line, and it was absolutely gorgeous, especially for the price. It was super complex. So this, when I saw this one for a similar price, I had to get it. So I paid less than £50 for this beauty, and as you can see, big bottle. It's got camels all over it. I love my camels. You know me, I'm come from a desert country, Iran, Persia. We are a desert country as well, and we have camels, and I love my camels. So but before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your support will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. You can like, subscribe, comments, share this video with others. These things will help this channel to bring you things like this in future. Thank you very much, and let's go. So massive box, sorry about the noise. Look at that, beautiful. Deserts, camels, gold and black. In the back it says 66% volume, so that makes it 44% oil. Wow, so this is much more than just the Eau de Parfum, but for some reason they call it Eau de Parfum. So they are on the playing their hand, and this is very impressive, especially for a price. So here we go. So the last time on top it was a bird, and this one, yeah, this one is a camel. Beautiful. I love my camel. So camel, beautiful bottle, heavy bottle. Presentation is just excellent, especially for the price. Okay, so the cap is quite heavy and it's got this beautiful camel on top of it, and the atomizer is rose gold, and here we go. Very good atomizer. It gives off lots of juice. Okay, so first impression, first sniff for this is Al Maghateer Eau de Parfum Nabeel, House of Nabeel, and this is targeted unisex, and here we go. Holy moly, the second it hits you, you know this is done by people who know what they're doing. So it says Master Perfumer collection, and it is absolutely true here. I'm not sure about you, but you know, I'm quite experienced in this endeavor. I've been collecting fragrances for donkey's years. I do my own perfumery from time to time, and when I smell something like this, immediately tells me quality, immediately tells me knowledge, it immediately tells me know-how, immediately tells me people who do this, they done a fantastic job because they are very good at what they're doing. Goodness me, beautiful. So typical Middle Eastern fragrance, deep, dense, resinous, thick, strong strong, not just strong in terms of projection and the strength of the perfume itself, but strong in terms of character of the perfume is super strong. It's just bold to the max, spicy, sweet, woody, and the woods are layered. Amber, deep amber, leather, but the leather right now is quite soft, so maybe later on it becomes stronger, but right now it's quite soft leather. Vanilla, definitely sweet, something in the background giving me that sweetness, so it could be vanilla. It's aromatic, it's floral. Again, layers and layers of things in here. It's very complex, it's very layered, it's multifaceted, it's super dimensional. It's just 3D max. When you smell this, it's a 3D of construction, and this perfume just shouts quality. You can smell something like cinnamon, definitely in here, sweet cinnamon. Underlying smokiness, powderiness, dustiness, a little bit of what else? Smoke, dust, powdery. It's just layers and layers of things in here. Another beautiful, amazing quality, especially for the price under £50. House of Nabeel owns the Spirit of Dubai, which is very expensive brand. Their perfumes go for £400-500 plus, and this smell reminds me of some of those ones. So for under £50, they are giving us a taste of what they actually make to, you know, put out in Spirit of Dubai, which are high end, one of the highest end perfumes in the world. They are very expensive for a good reason, because they are absolutely amazing fragrances, but is out of reach for majority of people because they are quite exclusive. They're actually not easy to find, especially in the United Kingdom, you know, unless you go to somewhere like exclusive like Harrods and things like that. It's very difficult to find them. In Dubai they have their own boutique, you can find them there, but anyway, so this one reminds me of those. Again, don't ask me which one, because I'm not expert on those, or not very familiar, but there are people who they tell, you know, if you go to Fragrantica and you know, YouTube, there are people review that and they tell you what it smells like or similar to. Absolute beautiful layers and layers of things in here, but this is not a bot. It's not for everybody. This is for people who've been around fragrances, perfumes for a long time. First and foremost, people who are mature and knows 30 and up. Third thing is you need to like your oriental fragrances, because this is unapologetically oriental, and its punch has a punch, and it's big, it's massive, it's bold, it's strong, and it's deep and dense, and everything you think about Middle Eastern oriental fragrances is in here. So this is definitely for going out, special occasion, and because it's very super opulent, evening, formal occasion and things like that, definitely. And better suited for cooler weather because it's very thick and dense, but because it's got freshness to it, you can use it in maybe cooler time of summer, but not very high heat. Very high heat probably could be cloying, so you control the trigger in summer less, in winter more. At the moment is filling the house, filling the room, so most likely the last one I didn't put more than 2 or 3, and it was like massive. It lasted all day and it was filling the house. So this one I'm expecting it to be similar. Performance at the moment is very strong. Beauty, gorgeous. Okay guys, so first impression, first sniff, yes, 2 thumbs up. I absolutely love it. It's up my alley. I'm a Middle Eastern man myself. I'm a middle-aged man myself, and this kind of fragrances is up my alley. I love them anyway, but it doesn't take away the quality of these things. The quality is superb. So Maghateer by Nabeel, and this is, they say Eau de Parfum, but it's more like extrait de parfum. It's very dense and thick, and absolutely, for my taste, for my nose, for my experience, this is a beauty in a bottle, no doubt about it. Okay guys, if you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read your experience. If you like what I do, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help with this take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I make the perfume with these hands, so they are really handmade perfumes from the scratch to the perfume. It's me. I'm a perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So you're getting an amazing smell, very exotic, very unusual, very artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. But you need to live in a kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the links as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.